Participant development. The participant development approach simply means that the same people who will use and operate this final system develop the system. As the users and participants are the people who largely determine the requirements, there is little need to consult widely. Although this will no doubt speed up development considerably, there are of course numerous disadvantages that can have the opposite effect. Firstly, the user must have sufficient skills to be able to create the system, and secondly, they must understand the extent of their skills. Sometimes a little technical knowledge can be worse than no knowledge at all. With most information systems, the extent of technical know-how required is not obvious until well into the design stage. All too often, it's the small detail that takes time, skill, and experience to complete. In general, user-developed systems will be of lower quality than those developed professionally. So what types of project are suited to user development? Systems that will only be able to be used by the developer, user, and perhaps a few other people are often suitable candidates. There is no need for detailed documentation. The developer is always on hand to answer questions and even make modifications. If the system can be developed using common software applications that include reusable and quality components, then the project has a higher chance of success. For instance, a spreadsheet program could be used to create a template for a teacher's markbook. The developer user requires skills with regard to designing formulas. However, more advanced features such as securing the resulting spreadsheet files or validating input can be left out. The solution will meet the user developer's requirements, but is unlikely to be suitable for commercial distribution. Such detail and quality issues are a feature of most user-developed systems. They perform the processing they must perform with no extra bells and whistles. End-user or participant development has many advantages for small business and home users who would not otherwise be able to afford a professional solution. They are able to automate functions themselves and are then able to modify the solution as new requirements emerge.
Created using Powtoon.